Hi, how are you? So, as you're seeing this, we've obviously had a very recent conversation regarding coaching. So, one of the first activities I always get people to do is to start working on their goal setting because if you don't have visibility where you want to be in 6, 12, 5 years, 10 years time, it's always going to hold you back and you're not going to have a real purpose about what you're doing. So, very, very simple to start us off is this document here. Wherever you found this video, there'll be a link below where you can download this document if I haven't sent it to you already, or if you want to drop me a DM, I will get it over to you. So as you can see, Minerva Growth Goal Setting Workshop, and all it is, let's go for 5 goals that you want to achieve. So what are the milestones in column B? Detail exactly what the milestones are that you want to achieve. Let's also column C, put a completion date in there. There's no point in having goals unless they are smart, so specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time frame. So we need a completion date when you're going to achieve this by. Column D, very straightforward, is what resources do you need to achieve these goals? E, what tasks are you going to have to do yourself? F, what tasks are you going to have to outsource to achieve this? And then G, I use this very much more. This is all about the ticking the box off. I've completed my milestone. I've done it. So when you can put completed in there, it is a major motivation. So you can put, ongoing, in progress, and then completed when you've actually achieved it. So these aren't going to be your bog standard little simple tasks to achieve. These are going to be much higher level. So let's go for some big ass milestones that you're going to have to really work at. And these may take you 6 months, these may take you 12 months to achieve. But let's challenge ourselves. If you set yourself a target of £1 million revenue in the next 6 months and you only get to £950,000, are you going to be really upset? Probably not. So let's not go for small targets like I want to get another £10,000 of my revenue in 6 months' time, because that kind of stuff is child's play. Let's go for some big ass stuff that we're going to really work at together and get you to. If you can't think of 5 goals right now, excuse me, don't worry about it. Let's go for 3, 4, do as many as you can, but I'd expect you to have a minimum of 3 in there. And if not, you're not thinking about this hard enough. It can also be 3 business and 1 personal, or 4 business, 1 personal. So it don't have to be all business focused, but I would say let's go for 3 business and at least 1 personal to make up your 5 milestones. Hope that helps. We'll be catching up in the next 24 to 48 hours anyway. So any problems, reach out to me. Let's get in contact, but start focusing on some goal setting.